once again, the first 15 seconds is autonomous. The bots are programmed by the human players to move forward, spin, jump up and down, do whatever you see them doing right now in the first 15 seconds of the match. 15-10 as the Red Alliance had 3 bots move across the baseline, gaining 5 points apiece, while the Blue Alliance had 2 bots. 67-50 and 36-94 battle it out in the launch zone as 67-50 returns to the neutral zone. Here comes 41-89, the Chargers. They're headed down to the retrieval zone. They want to gain one of those gears that they can take back to their airship, put in a gear set, and start. The rotor's turning. The Red Alliance has 1 rotor turning worth 40 points right now as they place the second gear in that gear set for the number 2 rotor. Turn the crank and they start up the number 2 rotor. Both alliances now have 2 rotors turning as the score is 95-90. The difference being the 5 points for crossing the baseline in autonomous right now. As we see 36-94, they're up at their airship. They're trying to deliver a gear to start another gear set in operation. They need 4 gears placed for the Blue Alliance in order to get that 3rd rotor turning. The Red Alliance has 1 gear placed in their gear set. They need 3 more delivered to the airship. As 56-32, the Azamovians get into position along with 41-89, the Chargers, to deliver a gear. The Chargers successfully delivering their gear. The pilot telling the Azamovians where they need to go in order to get that gear up onto the ship. As now the 2nd gear goes into position for that 3rd rotor on the Red Alliance. 67-50 spinning around in the neutral zone as 41-89 travels down the field with another gear in their position. 56-32, the Azamovians, they've repositioned themselves. Now they're on that center peg on the back side of the airship. They have the gear in their possession. 41-89 delivering the gear as the co-pilot collects it. 1 more gear needed to start that gear set going. As the ropes are being deployed, they place the gear and start that 3rd rotor turning for the Red Alliance. We're now 135-90 right now. That gear set making the difference as the bots are now climbing off the deck, trying to secure themselves a seat on the airship for flight. They'll be able to tell you they're ready when the touchpad lights up. That signals that they're ready for flight, giving them 40-50 points as 41-89 came down at the last second. They have to be in contact at T0. Have 2 bots for the Blue Alliance, 1 bot for the Red Alliance. As right there at the end, the Blue Alliance takes the lead. Let's see what happens in the cloud. And it is definitely the Blue Alliance coming across the finish line with a score of 230-185. That 2nd bot ready for takeoff made the difference in that match as we're finished with quarterfinal 3, match number 1.